Good morning, students. Yesterday I have discussed few mathematical functions with you, and today I am here to discuss the rest of the mathematical functions. Now, your next function is your round function. It returns the nearest whole number and its return type is integer type. You can see the example math.round 4.2. Is answer is 4. It is integer type. Now what happens is this math dot round 7.5. If after decimal the value is equal to 5 or greater than 5, it returns your next higher value. It will return your 8. Now in this math dot round 4.8, it is greater than 5, so it has returned your 5. You can see the example for negative number. Math dot round minus 5.8 is equal to minus 6. Now your next function is ABS, which is also known as your absolute method. What it is doing, it has two parts, sign and magnitude. Sign and magnitude. So it returns your magnitude, it discards sign. You can see the example math dot ABS minus 7.2. It returns your 7.2. Now next example is math dot ABS 6.2. It will return your 6.2. Now your next function is max. What maximum is doing, it returns the highest value which is passed between the methods. You can see math dot maximum 80, 23. So what it will do, it will return your 8. Same for minimum, math dot minimum 20, 21. It will return your minimum value. Now the answer will be 20. Now your last function is random. Now what random is doing, it returns the value between 0.0 and 1.0. Now it is system generated value, math dot random. Now it can return. Now you can see take the example of a coin. So what coin has? Coin has two possibilities. That is your head and tail. So you can take the example of this string s is equal to a is equal to 0, tail or head, and SOP S. Now you can see this a is equal to integer math dot random into 2. We have multiplied this with 2 because it has two possibilities, head and tail. And what math dot random generates, it generates the value between 0.0 and 1.0. This we have already discussed. So what it will do, it will convert your decimal value into your integer type. So what it is doing, string s is equal to a double is equal to 0. This is your conditional operator, double quotes tail, colon, double quotes head. So if your answer will be 0, it will return your tail, and if your answer will be other than 0, it will return your head. Now if I will tell you how to calculate the range in this. Range is equal to maximum minus minimum plus 1. Now if we have to calculate the values between 4 and 10, So your maximum value is 10 and your minimum value is 4. How we will calculate the range? 10 minus 4 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Now this will be your 7 is your range. So it will go like this: mat dot random into 7. This is your formula for calculating the range or for calculating the values between two paths. Now I am giving you some questions to solve. You have to do this question number 4. In the same way you will calculate the range given below 1 to 10, 11 to 52, 50 to 100, and these 4 questions you have to do. Thank you, students.